Jack is an ordinary guy. He's a programmer, dreams of becoming the next Zuckerberg, has a girlfriend, a dog, and a bike. He's saving for the future, paying off a mortgage, and hoping one day to buy a cool car. But there's one thing that makes Jack different. Every morning at 9 a.m., he takes 3 pills. He's not alone. Around 17 million people around the world do the same thing every day, and millions more would benefit from similar treatment but don't yet know it. So what's going on with Jack? He has 2 kidneys, 2 lungs, a love for Bradbury and Kubrick, and something else in his bloodstream. Jack is living with HIV, the human immunodeficiency virus. When HIV enters the body, it targets immune cells called T helpers. Some are destroyed, others are hijacked and turned into factories that help the virus replicate. This process is slow and often invisible. A person can feel completely fine for years. But without treatment, the immune system weakens over time. The final stage of untreated HIV infection is known as AIDS, when the immune system becomes severely compromised. Jack's coworker Sam insists HIV isn't real. He believes it's all a conspiracy. He also believes in UFOs and that genetically modified foods are secretly destroying humanity. Jack, on the other hand, trusts evidence, and the evidence is solid. There are 2 main types of HIV tests. One detects antibodies, the immune system's response to the virus, and the other detects viral proteins. Antibody testing typically involves 2 steps, an initial screening and a confirmatory test. When both are positive, it indicates the presence of HIV. That's what happened with Jack. His results were clear. But how does HIV actually spread? Not through mosquito bites, not through public restrooms, not through shared towels or casual contact. HIV is found in specific bodily fluids such as blood and certain sexual fluids, and it doesn't survive long outside the human body. Jack never used injected drugs, never had a blood transfusion, and didn't get piercings. But one day, he forgot to buy condoms, and that may have been enough. Today, people with HIV can live long, full lives. Modern antiretroviral therapy helps suppress the virus and maintain immune function. That's why Jack takes 3 different medications every morning. They work together to keep the virus under control. With proper precautions, the risk of transmitting HIV to partners or children can be extremely low. Advances in medicine have transformed HIV from a fatal diagnosis into a manageable chronic condition. Jack is still the same guy, still coding, still biking, still dreaming big. His life didn't end with his diagnosis. It just changed direction. And that's baby science for you.